So, this is a game. Oh, hi, it's freaking. Is that freaking dope? Yeah, so. Okay. Okay. I'm not even gonna say anything, actually. So, I thought we'd play this old game. And yeah, I don't remember much about. Oh, it's Monkey. It's this Yoshi's Island. This is. Guys, confirmed. Okay, and that's it, guys. This is the video. We saw the death of a cat. Jesus Christ. My eyes. Yo, that's Amy. Amy Schumer. This is Super Cat Bros. Not Mario, but, you know, Super Cat Bros. You know. Yeah, you get the picture. There we... Yeah. That was it, guys. Hope you liked this first level. Jesus Christ. Guys, that took me an hour to beat. Dandelion Fields. Double tap. Okay. OMG, guys. Oh. I'll be taking that. Press the opposite direction, run into brake. Okay. Oh yeah, speaking of animals, I literally have two of them in my room right now. One of them would be Bumble the cat, and Sal the dog. They're both gonna be eaten tomorrow. Man, there's not much going on so far besides tutorial levels after tutorial level. Bro, I didn't even need that. I just kind of did that naturally. Oh, now we have enemies. Well, they're all dying. What? I died? This is impossible. I won't. Okay, I'm gonna read the sign instead. Hidden enemies will stun you. Be careful. Well, that really says a lot about me. Are you sick? Bruh! Oh, hey, it's flying things from that Kirby game. You know what I'm talking about? No one gets that reference, besides people who played a Kirby game. I like how this game's actually probably made in 2016, I want to say. Oh my god, these are easy levels. Guys, this might be a very easy playthrough, honestly. Acorn people, okay. That's cool. Oh, damn, this is pretty good beat. Is this an ad? Yeah. Oh, wow, guys, what the fudge? What is this? I'm sorry, what? Welcome to the Toriku Village. Okay, I'm not speaking like that. Jesus Christ. Free? Please take 50 coins for free. No, I'm not gonna rate your app. Haha, nice try. But what do you have to say? Nothing? That's cool. Oh my god, there's so many. We collect water dripping from the trees. Hitting a minion gives you a 5-second time penalty. Oh. Okay. That's nice to know, actually. Thanks, game. What do you have to say? What beetles have infested the big oak? Take this key and open the tree's entrance. Alright, guys. Don't ask why I gave him a deeper voice. No, what does this little person have to say, huh? Come back soon! No. Welcome to the shop. Yo, I can buy stuff with actual, like, money, guys. This. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. So, guys, this is the Big Oak. Just remind me of a certain game. I don't think it matters. I would probably do the same. Meow, I'm Persian. Helper, watch a video and get a free. No. Well, actually, that could make a good content. Oh, from freaking ads. Yo, another enemy that slightly reminds me of something. I thought it said slam into a wall, but oh. That I would be correct, actually. I'm kind of scared to do that again now. No, don't do that. Yeah, do it like that. Okay, so I gotta wait for the little dizzy thingamajigs. That's understandable. Oh, get more platform, that's for sure. Oh my god, guys. It's actually not bad of a game so far. It's actually not pretty good, actually. For a mobile game, this quality, it's like, damn. Not gonna lie. Beetle Brawl. Uh-oh, is this a boss fight? No. Oh yeah, that's right. Boss battle. That was it. That was a. That was it. No 3-hit time, really? That was the boss battle? Okay, well, whatever. That was a bit disappointing, I guess. Oh, meow, guys. Look at me, I meow. His cat, Quirk. Oh, yeah. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus! I should probably stop running into enemies constantly, but I'm gonna keep doing that. What's this? I just kept... No, put him back in the jar. Get back in the jar! Come on, butterflies, you need to get back in the jar. Yeah, get in the jar. If you've been around the internet, then I think you'll get that joke, yeah. I legit do not care. Oh, you want 5? Give me a cat, a fish, and you feed him for a day. I him to our teach a cat to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. Wisdom comes from a prolix. Bro, it's 5 bells. Thanks. Seriously? I had to pay money to hear something that I could probably just look up. Or I'm pretty sure everyone has heard of by now. Oh. It's always fish enemies. Sorry if you're hearing like any loud fuzz, it's my dog. He's just doing something. He's just being so. So I think that'll wrap it up for now. If you want to see more, please tell me, because I really enjoyed this game, surprisingly. And yeah. No recipe unlocked. Oh my god. Pay some money. Jesus Christ, that ad is really pain. Alright, bye.